Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Expert Grill. First, carefully unpack all components and assemble your grill according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure all connections are secure, then connect your 20-pound propane tank, tightening it by hand. Before lighting, always perform a simple leak test using soapy water on all gas connections. This crucial step ensures safety and prevents any gas leaks. To light your Expert Grill safely, always begin by opening the grill lid completely. This prevents gas buildup. Next, slowly turn the gas control knob on one burner to the high position, allowing gas to flow for a few seconds. Press and hold the electronic igniter button until you hear a click and see the flame ignite. If it doesn't light on the first try, turn off the gas, wait 5 minutes, and repeat the process carefully. Achieving perfect cooking results depends on good temperature control. Once lit, close the lid and allow your grill to preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes to reach your desired temperature, typically around 375 degrees Fahrenheit for most foods. Use the individual burner knobs to adjust heat zones for precise cooking, creating areas of both direct high heat and indirect lower heat. This flexibility allows you to perfectly cook various items simultaneously. Proper cleaning and maintenance extend your grill's life and ensure hygiene. After each use, while the grates are still warm, brush them thoroughly with a wire brush to remove food residue. Remember to regularly check and empty the grease tray, preventing flare-ups and blockages. When not in use, cover your Expert Grill with a weather-resistant cover to protect it from the elements. These simple steps keep your grill ready for countless delicious meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.